Hello my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching Mathematics class. In this particular channel you will get ICSE, CBSE and WBBSE solutions of all subjects. Students, today we came up with the next part of linear equation as we have completed till sum number 6 from exercise 2.2. Today we will start with sum number 7. So let's start. Here as you can see, you can find a word which is consecutive. In the previous class, I have already explained you this word. Consecutive means what one after the another. But here you are asked to find out the consecutive multiples of 8. For example, I am giving you the example. You just assume it. 8 ones are 8. This is the first multiple of 8. 8 into 2 that is 16, which is the second multiple of 8, and 8 into 3 that is 24. This one is the third multiple of 8. So here this multiple are consecutive because after 8 into 1 you are getting 8 into 2. After that next multiple of 8 is 8 into 3, that is 24. If you don't know what is the meaning of the word multiple, then you can find a video which is on factors and multiple, which will make your concept more clear. You must go through that video. So here as you can see, 8 into 1 is 8. If you add plus 8 to this one, then you will get this one, that is 16. Again with 16, if you add plus 8, you will get the next multiple of 8, that is 24. So the concept which you have got in this particular example is that if we add plus 8 to the previous multiple of 8, then you will get the next multiple of 8. Now my dear students, if you have observed very carefully, then you will find according to the example we have assumed, first one is 8 into 1, next one is 8 into 1 plus 8, that is we are adding plus 8 to the first one. Next one is 8 into 1 plus 8 plus 8, that is we are adding plus 8 to the second one to get the third one. So here you can assume the three numbers as, first one as 8x, next one is 8x plus 8, and next one is 8x plus 16. Why we have assumed x in place of 1? Because in place of 1, if you take any number, that is 2, 3, 4, but in the three cases you need to take the same number, then you can get the consecutive multiple of 8. This is how we assume the multiples. If you do the further calculation by taking 8 common from the second one, you will get x plus 1 within the bracket. From the third one, if you take 8 common, you will get x plus 2, because 8 2s are 16. So my dear students, if this explanation is clear to you, then you can understand that according to this question, we can assume the three consecutive multiples of 8 as 8x. Next one is 8 into x plus 1 within the bracket. Next one is 8 into within the bracket we have x plus 2. So now let's start with the solution. According to the explanation, let the three consecutive multiples of 8 be: number 1 8x, next one is 8 into within the bracket x plus 1, and the third one is 8 within the bracket x plus 2. Next you are going to write according to the question. According to the question, sum of the three consecutive numbers or multiples of 8 is 888. So you need to add all these three numbers and you need to equate with 888. So you can see the equation, that is the linear equation. After that you can see in all the three terms you have 8 common. So you can take 8 common from all these three. By taking 8 common from the first term, you will get x, and next one if you take 8 common, you will be left with x plus 1. Next one if you take 8 common, then you will be left with x plus 2. So we have taken 8 common from all the three terms and we have written like this, which is equals to 888. Next, in this equation you can see we have within the bracket x plus 1 plus x plus 2, and according to the Bodmer's rule we need to solve the bracket first. So if we add x plus x, you will get 3x plus 1 plus 2, that is 3. So you are getting 3x plus 3 within the bracket. Now if we take this x on the right hand side from the left hand side, as you can see in the left hand side it was in multiplication, so it will go in division. So you are getting 3x plus 3 equals to 111. Now as you can see we have 3x plus 3. So what you can do is you need to transfer or transpose plus 3 on the right hand side, which will become minus 3. That is 111 minus 3, you will get 108. After that, as you can see, we have a coefficient, that is 3 beside x, which is in multiplication. So by transposing this coefficient, that is 3, you will get 108 divided by 3, that is equals to 36, or the value of x here is 36. By substituting the value of x in all the three assumption, you can get the three consecutive multiples of 8. So let's start. So the three consecutive multiples of 8 are, first one 8 into x, so 8 into 36 will give you 288. Next one is 8 within the bracket x plus 1, so 8 into 36 plus 1 within the bracket, we need to solve the bracket first, so 8 into 37 will give you 296. Next one is 8 within the bracket 8 plus 2, that is 36 plus 2 within the bracket, because the value of x is 36, you need to substitute it with 36, so you will get 36 plus 2, that is 38 within the bracket. If you multiply it with 8, you will get 304. So the three consecutive multiples of 8 are 288, 296 and 304. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like, share, subscribe this channel, and to get all the videos uploaded in this channel that is on the topic linear equation, then you must watch the playlist of linear equation, where you will get all the videos arranged in order. Similarly, for the all subjects you can do the same thing. So my dear students, take care of yourself, have a nice day, keep studying, keep enjoying. All the best students. Thank you.